They kept saying, you guys are perfect for each other.
You should have seen me before you picked me up. I was so nervous.
Well, me too. I was in my car on the way to your house, and I was like, ding, ding.
Oh, I know. I saw you get out of your car from my apartment window, and I was like...
I think I love you.
Excuse me, what?
When I look at you, I'm like...
Please don't say that.
I'm sorry, I didn't go. So that I could go... Yeah! Or honk, honk. So, forget I said anything, okay? And
I'm sorry it took me so long to get back to you. We're short a few people in the kitchen, and I'm just like, ugh.